Safe, accurate pesticide mixing is what keeps a do-it-yourself pest job from turning into a health or environmental problem. When you use a pesticide mixing kit for do-it-yourself pest control, your goal is to control exactly how much concentrate and water you combine, every single time. Start with a dedicated measuring jug that has clear milliliter and ounce markings, and never use it for food or drink, only for pesticides. Place your mixing pan on a flat, stable surface, then add a small amount of water first, the concentrate second, and finish with the remaining water so splashing is reduced. Always read the product label and find the dilution ratio that matches your target pest and application site. For example, 1 part concentrate to 100 parts water, and use that ratio exactly. Measure slowly at eye level so the bottom of the liquid curve lines up with the marking, which improves accuracy and prevents over-application. Before you start, put on personal protective equipment like chemical-resistant gloves, long sleeves, eye protection, and a simple respirator mask if the label recommends it, and keep paper towels and clean water nearby for quick cleanup of drips or spills. A big mistake is eyeballing the amount of concentrate or using a kitchen cup or spoon for measuring, which usually leads to overmixing. The fix is to keep a clearly labeled pesticide, only measuring jug and scoop in your kit and never bring them into your kitchen. Another common issue is skipping personal protective equipment because the user thinks a home product is automatically gentle. The simple answer is to treat every concentrate with respect, wear gloves and eye protection every time, and remove and wash work clothes right after you are done. People also pour leftover mix or rinse water down sinks, storm drains, or on the driveway, which sends pesticides straight into waterways. Instead, triple rinse your jug and mixing pan into your sprayer, spray that dilute rinse water over the treated area, and let everything dry before storage so nothing goes into drains. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier for homeowners who start with do-it-yourself pest control to find local contractors when they need bigger help or want a professional to take over. Our site also lets pest control pros and other contractors list their services, connect with nearby customers, and join our discussion community where people trade practical tips, safety advice, and real-world project stories.